Hey everyone, in this lesson we are going to learn how to represent comparison problems. There are two things we need to know here, what we call the additive comparison and the multiplicative comparison. For the additive comparison, most often when you see something like this, how many more is talking about the additive comparison, and this other one, the multiplicative comparison, you see how many times. So these are the two key ones you should take note of: how many more and how many times. So we're going to take a look at a couple of examples. Let's start from the very simple one. It says, what equation can you write to represent and solve the comparison? 8 more than 4. So if I write the number 8 more than, so more than is an additive comparison, which is plus more than 4, or it can be 4 plus 8. And either of these is going to give us 12. So it's as easy as that. Let's take a look at another example. What equation can you write to represent and solve the comparison? 3 times as many as 5. The first number, 3 times as many. Remember, how many times? So that's a multiplicative comparison. So as many times as 5, and 3 multiplied 5 is going to give us 15. So this is correct. You can pause the video while we look at these problem solving question. Let's read and understand the question. Elliot scored 9 points in a basketball game. So we have for Elliot 9 points. Michael scored 2 times as many points as Elliot. So we have for Michael, who had 2 times as many points as Elliot. So Elliot has 9. So we have a 2 multiplying 9 is 18. And Diana scored 6 more points than Elliot. So we have for Diana 6 more. So remember the word more. How many more? That is additive points than Elliot. So Elliot already had 9. So we're going to have 6 plus 9 for Diana, and that is 15. So we have the question says, how many points did Michael and Diana score? So for Michael, it's 2 multiplied 9, that's 18 points. And for Diana, we have a total of 15 points. Let's take a look at one more question. At this point, I want you to pause the video and try and solve this out. When you are done, play the video back to see if your answer is correct. All right. Rosa and her brother are playing a game. Rosa scored 8 points. So I have for Rosa scored 8 points. And a brother scored 2 points. So brother, let's have it like that. Rosa's brother scored 2 points. What are two comparison statements you can make about their scores? Okay, so let's see first. What can we say about their scores? We want to look for two comparison statements. So first, we're going to use the additive comparison, and of course we have the multiplicative comparison. So for the additive, remember it's talking about how many more. So if Rosa has 8 points and the brother has 2 points, what I'm going to do is I have 2 points and I have for 8 points for Rosa. So what am I going to plus? What am I going to add to 2 to get 8? That is 6. So we can say 6 more in this case. Why for the multiplicative? If I have 8 points and I have 2, I'm saying what am I going to multiply with 2 that will give me 8? And that is 4. So write an equation to represent the problem. In terms of equation, this is the equation. And if it is statement-wise, we can say for Rosa has 6 points more than a brother, or Rosa's points is 2 times, or let's say 4 times that of his brother. Rosa's point, which is 8, is 4 times that of his brother, which is 2. Alright, that will be the end. You can play the video again for better understanding. Take care and bye.